press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
As students, in previous video, we have discussed about error significance figures, approximation and order of magnitude. And similar important and the practical section concerned, because from the last year, one section is introduced in the JEE, the pattern changed. Out of 30, now they are reduced to 25 questions. And 20 questions from the theory portions and 5 questions from the practical section, where the most important 2 experiments that you are learning at this stage is about the measurement of length using screw gauge, spirometer or using vernier calipers. The questions appeared in previous years also. Let us see what this vernier calipers is and how it is used to measure the length. And again we have to see about the screw gauge in detail, and I will hint about the spirometer. After the classes are open, you are doing practically these experiments, handle the instruments and have to do it. But learning just getting the total reading is not the answer. What is the theory behind it is most important, and how exactly the scale is calibrated. That makes you to feel easy to face any questions in entrance. Because in entrance, not asking you about how the total reading is taking, or just they giving data and asking you the total reading. They give some to calculate the least count, the resolution of the instrument. In both cases, the screw gauge and slide calipers. So this vernier calipers is an extension from the main scale, because earlier days the meter scale is used for measurement of length, where you are knowing well that almost 1 millimeter is the minimum length exactly can be measured. What we are calling it as a least count of the meter scale or resolution of the meter scale is 1 millimeter. If you draw a closer line than that, not visible clearly to us to assess it. But 400 years back, the Professor Pierre Vernier worked out on a scale. On the main scale, he used a sliding scale and designed a new measuring instrument which can increase the resolution, which is increase the resolution to 10 times and decrease the least count to 10 times. So thus, the new scale which is designed is called as a vernier calipers. Calipers is a measuring instrument. Vernier name is come from because of the scientist name. It is included in that. So how this first, before going to see what is the least count and what is the error that is committing in measurement, and again getting the total reading, and what type of questions are coming in entrance, before going to the screw gauge I complete this. So however, you want to see what the screw gauge, vernier calipers is. So I told you it is a length measuring device whose least count is 10 times less than that of a meter scale. That is about 0.1 millimeter. 0.1 least count of this is 0.1 millimeter or 0.01 centimeter. How it comes, we see later. And this where we are seeing its applications means you can see in physics lab, you are using again another instrument called as a traveling microscope. The same extension of this vernier calipers idea used in designing the new instruments in the laboratory. That is one, it is called as again measuring the length. That is traveling microscope. Another is spectrometer, where we measure the angles. The same one scale is fixed and another scale is sliding over that, which is together helping us to increase the resolution of the instrument, and we can get the finer and correct measurements compared to the meter scale. And even in navigation, we are using an instrument that is called as a spectrometer in the laboratory, where we are measuring the angle between the spectral lines. And navigation department, they are using an instrument called as a segment. And also the theodolite is used in the survey department for measuring the distances. So that is some applications are concerned. So about how this instrument is actually, this instrument is carrying one sliding scale, which I am showing this with some rose color, which is separate color you are visible. This slides over the main scale. So one which is whitish appearance is a fixed scale which is starting with 0 here. This runs on that one up to the end. That is called as a main scale of this. That is what we return here is 1 millimeter each division is. Like meter scale, it is also having one division is 1 millimeter exactly. And another is sliding over it. It can be fixed at any position correctly using the screw arrangement. Here you are seeing the screw arrangement where it can be fixed tightly. And here on the edge of one you are seeing a small scale having 10 divisions. That is called as a vernier scale, sliding scale, sometimes also called as sliding scale or vernier scale. So I can show, if you are seeing this, an instrument. So now this is the main scale that you are seeing on the horizontal strip. The divisions you are seeing are lower part and it can be moved. So this is a sliding one. When you slide, this sliding is also containing at the lower part you are seeing the divisions. This is called as a vernier scale. The scale which is fixed on the main strip is a main scale. And you are seeing this is a fixed jaw and it is a moving jaws. Moving jaws you are seeing here. How this is used, let us see the application later. But this is used to measure three different length. One, we can measure the outer diameter of this called as a lower jaws. These two are called as a lower jaws. I can keep the object like this. We can measure the external dimensions of sphere, or it may be the cylinder or a sphere. You can keep in between them like this and can measure the external diameter of that. Or you can keep in this fashion by which you can measure the length of the cylinder. Any external dimensions can be measured. Even if you given a sphere, you can measure the diameter of a sphere. External dimensions of an object can be measured using the lower jaws. You come to know how to fix in between the gaps. It measures the diameter. If you keep like this, it measures the length. So now that the external dimensions are measured by lower jaws. What is the role of upper jaws? You can measure the internal dimensions, that internal diameter. You can just insert this into that and extend it. It should not fall also, like rigidly fixed between the jaws. Then the reading can be taken here, which measures the internal diameter of the cylinder. Internal diameter, to measure internal diameters, we use the upper jaws. So for example, I can take the cylinder like this. This rigidly fixed between the points and can be measured. So this internal dimensions are measured using upper jaws. External dimensions can be measured using lower jaws. And somewhere you are seeing there is a metallic strip at the end. That's what you are shown here, metal strip. This is used to measure the depth of the hollow object. For example, it is the hollowness. So I can keep inside like this, rigidly. So I can touch the bottom. You can extend this so that when it touches the bottom, exactly the same scale can be used to measure what is the depth of the container. A vessel depth can be measured using this. Hollow object's depth can be measured using the metal strip that is at this end, taking the reading here. External dimensions like outer diameter, length of the cylinder, diameter of the spheres, or even thickness of this side object. So keeping like, you can measure the thickness of the object, even can breadth, height, you can measure the breadth, thickness, even length. Length can also be measured by keeping like this. So all these measurements possible using this instrument called as a vernier calipers. So just vernier calipers is a device which can be used to measure internal dimensions of an object, external dimension of an object, or depth of any hollow containers. If it is the container, you have to keep the metal strip like this, the scale, and the strip will run up to the end. This gives you the readings there. So this is what we use vernier calipers for that. Then how this least count is to be. Total reading taking and main scale reading coinciding vernier and least count is the formula used here. For the question is to find out the least count. I Just enlarged position I am showing here. So the fixed scale is a main scale. It is a main scale written here. Main scale, 1 centimeter length. In 1 centimeter length, you are seeing the 10 divisions, 1, 2. So if I write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Even this lower vernier scale, there are 10 divisions, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the length of 10 main scale divisions covered the length of 10 main scale divisions. 10 vernier divisions cover the length of 9 main scale divisions. That means 10 vernier scale division is equal to 9 main scale division. And 1 main scale division is nothing but 1 millimeter you have. Or it may be 0.1 centimeter. Let it be. So what is the length of this magnitude, which I am calling is a vernier length? What is the length of each vernier division? However, length of main scale is 1 millimeter, you written here. This is what I taken. This is nothing but value of S. That's what written here, 1 millimeter. Magnitude of the 1 division. Here, what is the length of the vernier? Length of vernier is 1 vernier scale division. If you take it is 9 by 10 MSD. Or I can say it is equal to 0.9 millimeter, because 1 MSD is equal to 1 millimeter. 9 millimeter by 10 gives you 0.9 millimeter. See here, this is 0.9 millimeter. What is this length is 1 millimeter. What this small distance? This is exactly nothing but the 0.1 millimeter left, which is nothing but we called it as a least count. The maximum that swing, separation between them. Small, the length of vernier is shorter than length of the main scale. Length of the main scale and vernier scale, there is a small variation. S minus V, if I write S minus V, S is 1 millimeter, it is 0.9 millimeter. S minus V is 0.1 millimeter. This is nothing but 0.01 centimeter. What we call it as a least count. What we are calling it as a least count. For one division, it is 0.1. For second division, what this distance is? 0.2. It covers 0.2. That means when we are keeping here, some here the coinciding division appears. I come to later part of that. Division appears. If the third one is coinciding, it covers 0.3. So fourth one is, so it is distance 0.3. Here it is 0.4. Here it become 0.5. If fifth division is coinciding, it covers 5 divisions, 0.5 millimeter. So likewise here it is 0.6. So it is covering 0.6, 0.7, 0.8. 0.9, almost when come to here 1 meter shorts, 1 millimeter. That means length 1 leave, the distance that it covers here is 1 millimeter. That means I simply say, suppose if you are seeing this and there are vernier scale divisions like this, what you are seeing there. So it is a 0 of that. And main scale, here some object is placed and there is another scale, main scale is running. The divisions are like this. Now you see that object when placed, here the divisions what I am showing. One division is exactly coinciding with this. That means when I keep the object, for example, for your reference, if I am keeping to measure something here, measure something. Now this is exactly the length, but I taken up to here, something I will take another example. To convince you I am saying here that this is the 0th reading I have to take, but it is extra. this extra length is accounted by vernier. That vernier is here coinciding is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth division. That means this part is nothing but I am saying 0.5. That is what I am explaining here. If the fifth division is coinciding 0.5, first division coinciding 0.1, second division coinciding 0.2, third division coinciding 0.3, like 0.4, fifth is 0.5, seventh is 0.8, ninth is 0.9, 10 we are not consider because when 10 is coinciding, 0 is coinciding. This is the coinciding both. If 10th one is coinciding, 0 is coinciding, no error comes here. The exact position available, there is no coinciding vernier necessary. But if it is extended object position, then least count is more helpful in finding the ambiguity level here, which is not clear at this, that can be accounted by this vernier. And minimum magnitude that measuring is 0.1, that is least count is 0.01 centimeter. 0.01 centimeter S minus V. So I hope this vernier is helping you to measure 1/10 of main scale in this scale which I have taken. So there may be a chance that here we have taken vernier is less than, vernier length is less than main scale. In some cases, vernier scale may be more than the main scale. This length is less than here 10 VSD, 9 MSD. Sometimes 10 VSD can cover, 10 VSD can cover the more one, 20 MSD. In such cases, retrograde scale, that is called as, we are not dealing here, don't worry about that. Now you can look into this one. First, understand what exactly we have to learn. So here, I hope you are understood. The role of the instrument is, it increases the resolution by 10 times. Least count decreases by 10 times. In the main scale or the meter scale, we have the least, it is only up to 0.1 centimeter. Now using a sliding scale, vernier scale called as vernier, Professor Vernier increased the resolution to 0.01 centimeter. 10 times resolution increase, precision is increased. More accurate result can come with the decreasing least count by that magnitude. Then in JEE and NEET, the questions are coming in that part. They say that some divisions of main scale is coinciding with some divisions of vernier scale. Find out the least count. If they have error and give the some reading, you have to get the total reading. Total reading formula I given earlier. Here I can write that total reading equal to MSR plus CVD into least count. But the question is here to find out the least count. Least count, one method is there. See there, it is what I have shown here, n divisions in general. I am generalizing, don't worry about this. There are n divisions of the vernier. 10 divisions of vernier. How many divisions coincided? 9. N minus 1 division. N divisions are vernier coincided with n minus 1 divisions of main scale. I write here, n divisions of vernier coincided with n minus 1 divisions of main scale. Open the bracket, NV equal to NS minus S. Or you interchange, S is equal to N into S minus V, if I take other side. What is S minus V you are saying? It's nothing but least count. S minus V is equal to S by N. S by N. So you have the answer now. S by N. What is S? Value of 1 division on the main scale. This I can write value of 1 main scale division divided by least count. So that is total divisions on vernier scale. So thus this is nothing but called as a least count. That answer. What is 1 main scale division? You got 0.1 millimeter. How many divisions are there? 10. What the answer you got? 0.01. 1 millimeter, sorry. S is 0.1 centimeter or 1 millimeter. 1 millimeter by 10, 0.1 millimeter. Or is equal to 0.01 centimeter. 0.01 centimeter is the least count. Or in terms of millimeter, it may be 0.1. You come to know that one. Or otherwise we can use the relation. Here if I write, expanded this, S by N is equal to S minus V. If you know the magnitude of S and V, what is S? S minus V. I generally write, I remove this and show you. Either way you can use, but very carefully we have to find the least count many times. So the equation is S minus V, you got as S by N. It is least count. I showed in this, I used this to get the least count. Value of 1 MSD by total divisions on vernier scale. This also using a least count can be obtained. How? What is S? Value of 1 MSD. What is V? Value of 1 VSD. Value of 1 ESD. You know what is 1 MSD is 1 millimeter. Minus 1 VSD. How many divisions? We taken 10 VSD. 10 VSD compared to 9 MSD. Therefore, 1 VSD is equal to 9 into 1 millimeter. Because 1 MSD is 1 millimeter divided by 10. Common LCM if you take, that become 1 millimeter by 10 or 0.1 millimeter or 0.01 centimeter. Either way you can go. This is a common equation to find the least count of the vernier calipers. The most important part it is. I hope you are on. S is value of 1 MSD, V is value of 1 VSD. You can use this relation. Least count equal to 1 MSD minus 1 VSD. Or you can use S by N, value of 1 MSD by total divisions on vernier scale. That may be used to find the total reading in case of the vernier calipers. So just I conclude here before going to take reading is vernier calipers, once the word heard, it is a device used to measure length of any object. So it may use to measure the inner dimensions using the upper jaws, outer dimensions using lower jaws. Or you want to find the depth of the any hollow objects, use the metal strip at the end. There is a fixed scale called main scale. There is a sliding scale which is called as a vernier scale, which can be firmly fixed using the screws. Here the scale is designed such a way that main scale is one trial. 99% using scales are this 1 millimeter magnitude. There are 10 divisions which covers 9 divisions of the main scale. So this, how the least count is designed, come to know. 1 MSD minus 1 VSD, maybe the formula S minus V. 1 MSD minus 1 VSD is used to measure the least count. Or you can use this one value of 1 main scale division by total divisions on vernier scale. So this how we use actually to get the reading, how we get the answer. So let us come to that one. How we use this instrument for measuring the length. We come to know how to measure how to find the least count of the instrument. So thing that you are come to know, least count may be written as 1 MSD minus 1 VSD, or it is 1 main scale division reading divided by total divisions on vernier scale. This is the formula used for least count. How this arises I told you. Now the total reading means formula we have MSR plus CVD into least count. So I am taking here only the example. Suppose if I take this, so I want to measure the external diameter of this. I want to get the total reading for this one. Total reading, here I have to read. So what appears on this, I was showing here on a broader scale. So what we get here is this is 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, this division, 0. So this is the vision we are getting there. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10th. This is 2. This is 2. How to get the main scale, total reading we want. I showed here, just I held this cylinder in between the lower jaws and firmly made fixed and reading here. Main scale, how to read main scale. So this is the vernier scale and this is the main scale. So now if you see this is 2, 2.1, 2.2, 2.4. See this is 2.4, 2.5. In between 0 is present. I think it is clearly visible to you that this is 2.4, here 0, there is a gap, but we cannot take higher value, we have to take the lower value. Therefore, this is the main scale reading. What is MSR is you come to know that MSR division is 2.4 plus CVD into least count. Already you come to know least count we calculated in this as a 0.01 centimeter. Coinciding vernier, I told in this, and also I shown with a small example earlier. As you go, you see the gap that is here, this gap is going on decreasing, and this gap coincided at this position. The fourth division is a coinciding vernier. Again you see the division, again gap is started. Gap is started between vernier and the main scale. So here if I show that this is L shape, this is appearing like L, this is appearing like L, but the length of the L part is decreasing, it is 0. Now L is reversed. So now we are seeing that this is reversed and gap is increasing. But no gap in this. Main scale and vernier scale are coincided at fourth. That is considered as the coinciding vernier scale division, that 0.4. That's what I showed here, it is 0.4. If joined at 1, the same position for 1 appeared, it is 0.1. If same appeared for 0.2, that is 0.2. This 0.3, this length 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9 can come. I think you are followed here. So this 4 into, see here a square bracket, 4 into 0.01. So this 2.4 plus 0.04. Answer is 2.44 centimeter. So this is how we can take the reading using the vernier calipers. So this basics I given here, how these calipers may be used to measure the length 1. But you are measuring all inner diameter, outer diameter, length, thickness of the object, sphere diameter, length, breadth and height of the object like this cuboid, and you are measuring the surface area or volume of that. All this can be done using this vernier calipers. Now, with this knowledge, you come to know how to find the least count and what is the formula used. One thing before concluding, I am telling here, this is the formula used. Sometimes when the two jaws are fused together, when these two jaws are fused together, they are in contact, the zero of the main scale and vernier scale must coincide, as it is observing here. Zero of the main scale and vernier scale should coincide. Sometimes it happens so that if you take, this is the zero of the main scale. If the zero of the vernier is somewhere left, like this, they are not coincided, zero is coming left. That means already you are seeing that some divisions are possible. Error is, I take negative. It is right of, so this is left, main scale to the left, that is, it is plus. Maybe 3 divisions, let's imagine. Another chance is there, that 0. So divisions are like this. And 0 of that is to the right. Then what happens to this is, now already some divisions, 0 is, it is to the left. What happens is when 0 is coincided, some divisions are coming extra, that is to be subtracted. So that is plus 3. If 0 of the vernier to the right of 0 of the main scale plus, if 0 of the vernier to the left, it is minus 3. 0 of the vernier to the left of main scale minus. If error is there, I hope you are followed, because this much of divisions are coming less when you take the reading. Here these divisions are coming extra, therefore that is to be shortened. So therefore, simple to remember, error, I am saying error, 0 must coincide like this. If it is not coinciding, happens to be like that. Vernier scale 0 is to the left. Vernier scale 0 is to the left, take error is minus. Error is minus. If 0 of the vernier to the right, then take it is plus. Then what happens to the formula in that case? So the formula correction is total reading equal to MSR plus CVD. In that case, CVD minus Z error into least count. CVD minus Z. Z minus 3, minus up minus become plus. If error is plus, as it is. Minus 3, minus up minus become plus. If 3 divisions are lacking, that would be accounted here. Remember, 0 of the vernier is to the left of the main scale, error is negative, Z is negative. If 0 of the vernier to the right of the main scale, error is positive. If positive, substitute as it is, 3 or 4, any number. Here you are getting CVD like 4. Here if it is 3, minus of minus 3 become plus 3, 7 happens. If the error is positive, 4 minus 3, it becoming 1. So this formula correction comes if the instrument has error. If no error, this becomes 0, then this relation can be valid. So let us see some examples appeared in your previous year entrance examinations. So take an example, n divisions of vernier scale of vernier calipers coincides with n plus 1 division of the vernier scale. If division of one main scale reads a unit, then least count of instrument is. This is the question actually appeared in JEE 2012. Options given to you: A by n, n by n plus 1 into A, and fourth one A by n plus 1. So you come to know how to find the least count. So I given two methods. Least count either s minus v or s by n. So if I take any of them, first method if we followed, least count equal to s by n. What is s? Value of one main scale division. If division of one scale is a, is s, therefore a I substitute. What is the total number of divisions on the vernier scale? Coincides with n plus 1 divisions of the vernier scale. How many divisions are on the vernier scale? N plus 1. Hence your answer is over. Fourth one is the correct one. Immediately you got the answer. Suppose you are following the alternate method. Least count equal to s minus v. See that also. That is possible. Whichever you follow is not important. Getting answer is most important. So whichever you feel easy can take. But one can take more time and other can take less time. Here it is immediately we got. So S is one main scale division minus one vernier scale division. One main scale division is A minus n plus 1 into A, because n divisions, not n plus 1, n divisions, n into A, because n divisions of main scale coinciding with n plus 1 divisions, n plus 1 divisions of vernier coinciding with n divisions of main scale. That n divisions, what vernier scale is divided by n plus 1. So this equal to, this is one vernier scale division equal to n into s by n plus 1. S is nothing but A. That we did here. Common LCM, take your NA plus A minus NA by n plus 1, which is equal to A by n plus 1. Answer same, no changes at all. You can go with this method or this method, you will get the answer. So I think you are followed here. Let us see, go to the next one. So come to the next question. Diameter of a steel ball is measured using a vernier calipers which has a division of 0.1 centimeter on its main scale and 10 divisions of its vernier scale match a division of 9 divisions of main scale. 3 such measurements are given. One, two, three. Main scale in centimeter. 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. Vernier scale division. 8, 4 and 6. If zero error is minus 0.03 millimeter, then mean corrected diameter is option 1 0.52 centimeter, second 0.59 centimeter, third 0.56 centimeter, fourth one 0.53 centimeter. So you have to, it is the question appeared in JEE paper 2015 April. So you have to get diameter of a steel ball is measured using vernier calipers. Each division of the main scale 1 MSD. If you read here solution to rise, 1 MSD is 0.1 centimeter. On its main scale, 10 divisions. Total divisions on vernier scale is 10. If matches with the 9th division of main scale, so that helping you to find the least count. 1 MSD minus 1 VSD. Readings are given, error is there 0.03. Then mean corrected diameter has to calculate out of 4 readings, which is the answer. To get that, first you find out the least count. What is 1 MSD is 0.1 centimeter. Here they given 9 main scale divisions. 9 into 0.1 centimeter divided by 1 VSD is, because you know 9 VSD equal to 10 MSD. 1 VSD equal to 0.1 centimeter into 9, no, 10. This is 10 and this is 9. Okay. 0.1 centimeter into 9 by 10. That I did here. So when I do that one, 10 minus 1 is 1. 0.1 by 10 is 0.01 centimeter is the least count we got. So we got the least count. And total reading formula is say MSR plus CVD minus Z into least count. See, brackets must be very carefully you have to see. This I can read the error minus 3 as the error Z. Let us take the trial number 1. MSR is 0.5 plus 8 minus of minus 3 into 0.01. That gives 0.5 plus 8 minus of minus 3 minus error plus 11. It become 11. 11 into 01. 11 into 0.01. So it become 0.11. Therefore 0.61 centimeter. Trial 2, 0.52 plus 4. 4 minus of minus 3 into 0.01. 7. Answer comes to be 0.57 centimeter. Trial 3. 0.5 plus 6 minus of minus 3 into 0.01. How much it become? 9. 0.09. 0.5 plus 0.09 equal to 0.59 centimeter. We got 3 answers. What is the mean reading is sum of the 3. 0.61 plus 0.57 plus 0.59 by 3. So if I get the sum of them, 9 plus 7, 16, 16 plus 1, 17. 5 plus 5, 10 plus 11 plus 6, 17. 1 point something by 3. That is 515, 9 centimeter. The correct answer is the second one. So error given you, minus 3. Formula we corrected, MSR plus CVD minus Z. If it is minus, make it plus. And you calculated the answer you got 0.59. I hope you are understood. So simple, but very carefully, calculation of the least count and using the formula. So if you move carefully, no problem. Let us go to the another one. Coming to next question. Next example. 1 centimeter on main scale. 1 centimeter on main scale of a vernier calipers is divided into 10 equal parts. If 20 divisions of vernier scale coincides with 19 divisions of main scale, then what will be the least count? Of capillary. Options are there: 0.05 centimeter, 0.005 centimeter, 0.01 centimeter, 0.001 centimeter. So this is the question appeared in the year not mentioned currently, maybe 2011. 1 centimeter on the main scale of vernier calipers divided into 10 equal parts on the 20 divisions of vernier scale. If 20 divisions of vernier scale coincides with 19 divisions of main scale, then what will be the least count of the capillary? So see the main scale. 1 main scale divisions contains 10 divisions. 10 divisions on it. 1 centimeter. Therefore, 1 MSD, how much it becomes? This clears you. 1 centimeter is divided into 10 means 0.1 centimeter. 1 centimeter length is divided into 10 equal divisions. Therefore, what is the value of 1 MSD, which I am taken in the previous discussion as yes. Value of 1 main scale division is 0.1 centimeter. Then let us come to the second part. 20 divisions of vernier scale coincides with 19 divisions of the main scale. 20 divisions of vernier scale coincides with 19 divisions of main scale. Main scale. What is the value of one vernier scale? Is 19 by 20 into S. Now this help you to find the least count. What is the formula for least count? 1 MSD minus 1 VSD. 1 MSD I am saying yes. This is yes, I can substitute at the end. 1S minus 19S by 20. So 20 minus 19 is 1 by 20 S. 1 by 20 into 0.1 centimeter. 1 by 20 into 0.1 centimeter. So how much it is now? 1 by 20. If you are not following 100, you write. 100 by 20 is how much? 5. 10 power minus 2. For example, confusion can be avoided like this. Into 10 power minus 2. Because 100 I taken minus 2 here. 1 0 cancels. This become 5. 5 into 0.1, it is 5 into 10 power minus 3 centimeter. Or the answer is 0.005 centimeter. 5 digits you have to come back. So this become 0.005 centimeter. I hope you are followed. First you have to find one main scale division in this. That one main scale division, 20 divisions, 19 scale, one vernier scale come to know. 1 MSD minus 1 VSD give you this. Answer is this second one. You got 0.005 centimeter rightly. I think you are followed here. Let us go to the another one. The vernier coincidence of vernier calipers is 0.1 millimeter and it has zero error. Zero error of minus 0.03 centimeter, which while measuring diameter of a sphere, the main scale R is main scale R is 1.7 centimeter and coinciding vernier scale division is 6. The correct diameter is You have options 1.76 centimeter, 1.79 centimeter, 1.73 centimeter, and fourth one 1.72 centimeter. So you are given the four options. We have to see out of which one is the right one. See, they are given the vernier coincidence of this is 0.1 millimeter. Zero error given is -3. And this 1.7 centimeter. And this is 6 division coinciding. This is nothing but the given least count as 0.1 millimeter. As the answers are in centimeter, therefore I write it is 0.01 centimeter. The magnitude, that resolution of the instrument is 0.1 millimeter. Main scale reading they given is 1.7 centimeter. Coinciding vernier scale division is 6. Zero error is -3. I just take this with sign -3. What is the total reading you got? MSR plus CVD minus error into least count. 1.7 plus 6 minus of -3 into 0.01. 1.7 plus 3, 9. 9 into this 0.09. Hence you get 1.79 centimeter. Answer available is this. It is minus. If it could have been plus, for example, think. If it could have been plus, then 6 minus 3 become 3. 1.73 may be the answer. Let us think the another example. For example, instead of error negative, it is a positive error. Then positive error minus 6 minus 3 become 3. If it is 3, then it become 1.73 could have been the answer. But here they given minus and answer is available of that one. Right? Let us go to another example. Vernier calipers has 1 millimeter mark on main scale division. It has 20 divisions on vernier scale which match with 16 divisions on main scale. For this, calculate the least count. Options are number 1, 0.02 millimeter, 0.05 millimeter, 0.10 millimeter, 0.2 millimeter. It was appeared in the year JE 2010. See what is 1 MSD given? Equal to 1 millimeter. Has 1 millimeter mark on the 1 MSD. So here 20 divisions on vernier scale which match with 16 divisions on the main scale. 20 VSD is equal to 16 MSD. That what is 1 VSD is 16 by 20 MSD. Now work is over. What is least count? 1 MSD minus 1 VSD has to do. What we got? 1 MSD is 1 millimeter. Minus 1 VSD is 16 by 20 into 1 millimeter. 1 millimeter, 1 MSD is. 20 minus 16 is 4 by 20. Sorry. Yes, 20 minus 16 is 4 by 20 into 1 millimeter. It is 1 by 5 millimeter. 4 5s are. 1 by 5 is nothing but 10. 10 by 5 is 0.2 millimeter is the answer. Therefore, the option number 4th one. So, thus you can get easily the answers. Most direct questions, simple questions you cannot lose, neglecting the practical part or this error sign measurement chapter. Sure, one question in every paper of JEE or NEET you will have. So, come to another side of a cube. Is a need is read with the help of main scale is 10 millimeter. Vernier scale reading is 1. It is known that nine MSD equal to 10 VSD. Mass of cube M is given as 2.735 gram. Find the density of cube. Density of cube up to appropriate significant figures. Appeared in 2005 All India Entrance Examination. So, what is the main scale division? Cube read with help of main scale is 1 millimeter or 10 millimeter. Just I confirm. 10 millimeter coinciding. Main scale reading. In the solution, main scale reading is given this 10 millimeter. Main scale reading is 10 millimeter. Vernier scale division coinciding is 1. Least count you required 1 MSD minus 1 VSD. 1 MSD is they given here, 9 MSD is 10 VSD. Therefore, 1 MSD minus 9 by 10 VSD, sorry MSD, that equal to 1 by 10 MSD is the answer. So, it is 1 millimeter. 1 millimeter by 10 gives you 0.1 millimeter. 1 millimeter how good got is here they given 10 divisions 10 millimeter. So, get to the total reading. Total reading, first we have to get this. Total reading is MSR plus CVD into least count. It is in millimeter, therefore I substituted in millimeter. This is also in millimeter. Coinciding division is 1 into 0.1 millimeter. I think you are followed. Here it is 10 main scale reading taken millimeter. Coinciding division is 1. Here least count we got 1 MSD minus 1 VSD form. So it is equal to 0.1 millimeter. It is also in millimeter. This together. So 0.1 10.1 millimeter, or in centimeter if you want. So it is 0.01. This also in 10. Let it be like that only. 10.1 millimeter. Coming to density, this first part is over. Come to second part, density. Rho is equal to mass by volume is a cube. Mass by length cube. Mass is given 2.735 gram by 10.1 into 10 power millimeter to centimeter is -1. If I take into cube, the answer I directly give you. So the answer coming to be 2.6546 grams centimeter cube. The answer is. But appropriate significant figures I have to keep this answer. 2.6546. Where I limit is, see here, 10.1 multiplication and division. One method I told you, addition, subtraction and multiplication and division. In addition and subtraction, consider the minimum digits after decimal point. Multiplication and division, you have to consider the minimum significant figures. Minimum significant figures is 3 only. Taken, it is a division process. Here there are 4 digits, here only 3 digits. 3 digits means you have to limit up to here. Do the approximation, cancel 1, it becomes 5. 5 cancel, previous digit is 5 means you have to raise it by 1. Therefore, answer comes to be 2.66 gram centimeter cube is the answer. So try this. So I taken some examples which were appeared, and most important, this vernier calipers, and every year now separately in J papers as the practical part appears compulsorily. Carefully study this, and once enter the lab, you will learn these things correctly. Handling the instrument, you become expert and answering this. But in the entrance question is finding the least count and how, if the error given, how to account the error in the total reading formula, and multiplication with coinciding vernier, not with main scale, finally. And if any proper significant figures they ask to stop it, you have to use approximation rule, significant rule, and also the order of magnitude sometimes also need. Therefore, we taken in the previous videos those, and I come to this vernier. In the next video, we discuss about the screw gauge. Thank you.